Hello good people. Today I am going to show you how you can change your WP admin URL for WordPress and hide your WP admin. Why it's important? Because it saves your website from malicious brute attack force and protects your website from hacking or theft. So actually what it is, let's begin. So as you see, let's say for example I typed on my Google search PlayStation 5. So as you see, lots of websites has been shown here. So now before recording this video, I just searched if I got any options to show you an example, and here is it, screenrant.com. as you see. So if we visit this website, now this is the website, and just follow me. I will change the login URL that is general for every website, wp-admin, and you see I can access their login URL. So what hackers do, they search for this thing. When they get things, they use robots to create possible email address and password, and if they are successful, they can hack the website easily. So we don't want to show it. What we do, say for another example, from here reddit.com. let's see what it happens here. As you see, this is a very famous website. So now if I want to change or access the login URL here again, let's see what happens now. You see, the page not found. It means reddit.com, the owner of this website, has already hidden the login access URL page. So this is what we will do to protect our website from possible hacking or theft. So now I will take you to my website, and I will show you how you can do it for your website too. So I've already logged in. Let me show you again. If I log out from my website dashboard, so whenever I will write this gypsymall.com /wp admin, it will take me here. So from here I will use my username or email address, then password, and then I will log in. But from now on, what I will do, I will just create add an plugin, and I will write here easy hide. There are others plugins too. This is one of the good plugins. So I am showing you the example of this plugin, easy hide login. I have installed it and I have already activated it. Now what I will do, I will go here, easy hide login settings, or I can find this here also. From settings, easy hide login. In both ways, we will go to this page, Slack test root. Now I will change this according to my own choice. Say I want to use here moonshine 2233 ## so that only I know what my login phrase is. Now submit, and it is already done. Now let's see what happens now. If we log out, we are logged out and the website is showing here just fine. Now let's see what happens now. wp-admin. wp-admin is the regular login URL for every WordPress site. Now see, when I add wp/wp-admin after my website name, 404 page is shown. That means no one can log in or no one can get my login access page, so that he can try to put information and hack my site. So this is what you will do also. Now what you actually do, from gypsymall.com / you will put a question mark first, then the phrase that you saved in easy hide login. I saved this moonshine #2233 ##. This was my login phrase. Now if I hit enter, you will see I will be led to my login access page. This is the page where I should log in now. So every time you create a website, you please change your website login access page, so that you can protect your website from malicious brute force attack and from possible hacking or theft. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.